Good morning, guys! So we just finished our walking here in Bradbury Mountain. So we were very excited to come here because yesterday there was a big blizzard going on yesterday. So it was snowstorm with a gusts of 70 miles per hour. And yeah, we got, I would say, 12 inches of snow. How was your feet?
Keep going.
Is that snow inside your...
No, not yet.
No. Here. Is it this way?
Sure it's not up here? You don't see any up there?
No.
Let's try this way.
It's over there.
This is the shortest way to the top.
Yeah.
But it might be the toughest way.
Look how beautiful it is here!
Not cool, bro.
Nobody's walking here yet.
Orange is straight ahead.
Yeah.
Why do I feel like it's going... Oh, there it is. It goes up and around. There's some up there, too.
Yeah. Oh, look at this. Whew.
Do you know what a switchback is? This is called Switchback Trail. You know how the roads and paths up mountains, they go back and forth, right? So you're not walking straight up. That's called a switchback.
Okay.
So we're going the shortest way, but we're going back and forth to make it easy to get up the hill. Wow.
I see what you're talking.
Pretty damn gorgeous in here.
Going up in this mountain under negative 18 degrees, it makes you super warm.
Hard work, buddy.
Oh yeah, this is really hard work.
What did you say, about 12 inches of snow?
Probably.
Foot?
Yeah.
Oh, which way, bud?
I saw a mark here. What is this? This is not a human mark.
Oh.
From there.
Look, went right down there.
Is this a deer? Oh.
You okay? I see an orange up ahead. You see it?
Yeah.
Okay, when we get up to the top, you can't tell. You're not going to be able to tell unless there's a bunch of people walking all over it already.
Yeah.
You're not going to be able to tell where the dips and where the rock finishes and stuff. So don't go too close to the edge.
Oh my goodness, yeah. That's scary. Oh my God, look up, boy.
Mm-hmm.
Look up.
Wow.
Holy wow.
Picked a good day to come out, buddy.
So in order for us to not get lost, we are following this orange sign. We are going to end up into the summit of this mountain.
It's not a big mountain, just a small
The
one.
Bradbury Mountain. Back in, that was last year, that was month of September. We went here and we do our hiking too. What can you say about this mountain snow walking by?
It is stunningly gorgeous, or as my favorite person in the whole world says, stunningly gorgeous. Okay, this is where I want my picture. Wow.
Holy wow! Holy wow!
Uh-oh, Explorer down.
I made my mark.
Oh my goodness. What have we created, YouTube? What have we created?
Bend your camera.
Whoa.
That is stunning.
Okay, wait, come here. Turn around, face me right here. No, don't you dare fall in there. No, face me, I said, knucklehead. Okay, I'm going to push you backwards. You're just going to land, and then you're going to make a snow angel.
Ah!
It didn't work so good. This looks like a big pile of snow now. No, I'm not helping you get up. You got to get up on your own.
Help! Help! Help!
What's the kid's name in the Christmas Story?
Oh my God, turn around very carefully, bye.
Oh, I already did this, Gloomsy.
Look at this.
I already did this.
Come here in this view. This is stunning, oh my God.
It's got to be this way.
I can see the mountain over there. Right?
Yeah. See the icicles up there coming off the rock?
Oh my God, we are going to be stabbed on that.
Yeah.
Oh, you see that?
Oh, skiers. See skier?
Wow. Oh wow. That falls? Hurry up.
We're so close to the mountain, now we're going away.
Yeah. Holy wow. We are like inside in the globe.
Snow globe?
Snow globe. Isn't it? You agree?
Agreed. Whoa, down she goes. Is Booyah gonna go down too? That's the question.
This is slippery.
Whoa, yeah it is.
It must be a rocks.
Rock steps or ice underneath.
Yeah,
Down the Orange Trail.
yeah. We need an exercise, Bob.
Yeah, like we haven't had enough already.
You did? Holy wow. Holy wow. This is real beauty. Look, 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 look.
I wasn't standing under there.
Kahit sobrang lamig, hindi ka lalamigin kasi you're going on top of this mountain. Pinagpawisan ako. This is very perfect exercise out here. Nung bata pa ako, sanay ako sa bundok. Sanay akong umakyat pababa na may dala-dalang 2 galon na tuba para ibenta namin doon sa aming paboritong tindahan. Before heading to our classroom, I'm going to pass by into the store where we are going to sell our coconut wine.
Alright, which way now, bud?
So here is the orange one there. Gusto ko tong mga outdoor activities.
One of the great things about being in Maine, huh?
Yeah. It's cold, but when you are hiking up this way, you will become warm. I am sweating at this moment. Oh no! Oh no!
Going down the mountain now.
Oh no! This is slippery, but
You know it's easier if you turn your feet sideways?
oh yeah. This way, do you think?
I think it's this way. That's the top of the rocks right there.
Yeah. Oh. Oh.
You okay?
Oh.
Need a hand?
Yeah, this is the way. I saw it already now. Holy wow.
Here, bud?
Yeah.
With those mountains in the background over there.
Yeah. We are finally here in the mountain. So this is the top of the mountain right here at Bradbury Mountain. Woohoo!
We see a color. Do we know what color we're following?
Color green?
Color green and white. Oh yeah, it's definitely steep. Careful, Oopsie. Slide down on your butt. Gotta go backwards. Snow. Whoa.
You go first.
Oh yeah.
You are going to
Still haven't seen any colors yet.
I did not. We just follow this trail.
Hopefully they knew where they were going.
I think this way. Follow me, bye.
I'm following.
Okay, I saw the white sign. The white sign.
Not a good color for a winter trail.
Yeah.
That's steep, buddy.
Oh,
Whoa.
oh. That's okay. It's easy to get down. You will slide.
Yeah, especially in the winter.
Yeah.
Should have been tough walking up.
Yeah. It takes more energy.
I don't know if we would have made it up some of those steep parts that were slippery underneath.
Yeah. Yeah. Underneath is frozen away. Today is January 30, guys. And December 16, I just got my second surgery. And here I am exploring in this beautiful Bradbury Mountain. What can I say? This is life.
And it's gorgeous life.
Yeah. Don't run. Don't run me by.
Trying, buddy. Trying.
Oh Lord. This is pretty right here.
Yeah, it is.
There's that crystal clear beauty.
Making her own path in life. That's what my Post of the Explorer does.
I will make my own path. What do you call this one? These trees by canopy? Canopy tree?
It's a canopy of trees, I guess.
Yeah, so this is beautiful. It's perfect anytime. Whether summer, winter, fall. Yeah, it's beautiful out here. So they have I think 800 acres of land to enjoy do your walking trail here. See, there's the table and benches where you can sit down, enjoy your goodies.